So I'm going to install these on my Energica. If you want to do this yourself, just get the instructions as a PDF, you can download it. So it's very clear, the instructions. It shows what the parts are you need. So you need the 2 racks and then hardware, I guess. But even like this is a list of all the hardware that you need to mount everything up. You have to work from one side and then go to the other side and then fasten everything. And from what I can see, you need to remove these with the bolts there, and also the other mounting point is here. Okay, let's see, those are 30 newtons. Are those included here? The numbers to fasten them. Yeah, 30 newton meter for the foot pegs, 10 newton meter for the license plate holders. No, 6 for the small ones. Yeah, everything is in there. Nice. The only challenge I see so far, so those I can just remove, that's not an issue. But for here, for those, I have this mud guard installed. So it could be that I will have to... I'm not sure if I can access these properly. And from my understanding, I can use this to access that bolt, but I'm not sure how to access that one then. Okay, so these from the foot pegs are a number 6, and then these are number 5, smaller ones, and I just used one of these that fits just behind. Alright, I think I've got it. So these bushings, they go inside your foot pegs. So in there, on the other side, in there then, yeah. So these things go in there, okay. That fits nicely. And then these go through, but with this in place as well. And there are washers included. Only for those long bolts there are washers. So all those small bolts, I think they are all the same. Yeah, for the license plate holder, like this. That's the way. So foot pegs pushing inside, and then a long bolt with washer going through here. Yeah, so this is a breeze. This is very easy to put back in. Over there, that one is also very easy, but the back one is a bit challenging because of this plastic I have here. It does clear the plastic. The front one there, I cannot access. You can see it up here. So that one I cannot access, that one I can. I'm thinking of just drilling through here an access point. Okay, so I'm currently removing this rear fender so that I can make new access holes here to access those as well. So just prying out these so that I can disconnect it. So you can feed them through those holes here. But that one for the, I think it's the brake light one. That's a big one to get through, so that one needs a bit of finesse and, well, no, just time in my case. Make sure they don't pop in. Clean up your mating surfaces. So this is what I eventually did. I drilled this extra hole. I can tape it over. Can you see it? And with that hole I can access the other bolt now. And then once you drill through, I used the final size is number 8. 7 might be okay as well. Once that's done, I took it out or off the bike because then it's easier to look, all my chain grease on my hands. Because then it's easier to drill through and oh yeah, sure, make sure to cover up the mistakes and if you made any. And let the paint dry and then mount it back on. And now I should have perfect access to, you can even get like rubber things to fit in there if you don't want to tape it over, but I'll use some tape. The factory ones that I got for those big holes are these. Yeah, the bag on this side will be full of grease, I imagine. Okay, it's almost on. So it's important to keep these loose so that you have some adjustment. And yeah, that one I can almost reach it. It's good enough. That one is perfect. Well, is it perfect? Yeah, it's almost perfect. And then don't forget to put the fifth small screw should go in here to connect these two. So when everything is still loose, connect the two, and only once the two are connected, then connect these and then the big ones. Okay, and that's the install done. So without anything, they are not that visible on the bike. Oh no, I need to put these grommets back on. In the instructions it also tells you to put these on, but they were already on my bike. These are grommets for those wires. On one of the videos I had a comment saying that it's a pity that those wires going through this metal part does let moisture in. Well, you should have these kind of grommets over it. So maybe someone forgot to put them back on during a service or so. Okay, quick correction. What I really meant to say is that you should put those grommets back before tightening everything up, because you can't access them if this is attached again. So yeah, I just loosen it up and I'll put these in first and then attach everything again.